Hi, Todd Bourne here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, and we do have some changes on the way as it looks like the end of this extreme heat is getting closer. As we still have the upper level ridge, you can see it plastered right across the southern plains right now. This is the reason for the heat that we have endured here for the last couple of days. This is going to retreat towards the north and west. And as that happens, we're going to be watching a surface front, a cold front, take its place here during the next 24 hours. You can see the progress of that front during the next 24 hours. By tomorrow evening, we'll see it draped right across the middle of the Arctic, and it will serve as the focus for some scattered thunderstorms across the region for Wednesday and Thursday, the way it looks right now. So let's take you through the next couple of days here with Robbins Toyota Futurecast. And you can see that tonight. We will see a mostly clear sky for most of the night. A little bit of rain possible across the northern edge of the area very late tonight, as you can see here. Notice the more widespread, heavier rain staying to our north and east across the eastern sections of Arkansas. Let's take it through tomorrow morning, and you can see the chance of rain beginning to spread more towards the south, but it's probably going to be during the afternoon that we'll see the more widespread and stronger thunderstorms begin to develop. You can see that activity popping up somewhere between Texarkana and Shreveport during the first half of the afternoon, and we'll see that activity gradually shift to the south during the latter stages of the afternoon, and then it will come to an end Wednesday evening. Now, late Wednesday night, more showers and thunderstorms will develop over the northern half of the Arctic. These also will spread to the south and impact the rest of the region. Now, since we will see Thursday's rain sooner in the day, and probably we'll see more clouds for more of the day, temperatures Thursday will be much cooler, as we'll probably see highs well below normal for this time of year. I wouldn't be shocked to see some low to middle 80s for daytime highs for Thursday. Now, as far as rainfall, Futurecast here for the next couple of days does show the potential for some rather heavy rain. You can see, generally speaking, we're going to be looking at amounts of a half an inch or less. But the Futurecast and other high-res models kind of pointing to this particular part of the Arctic that you see here, where we could see amounts surpass 2 inches with some isolated higher totals a possibility. Now, don't get too zeroed in on exact location. Keep in mind this swath of heavy rain could occur anywhere here across the central part of the Arctic. So we'll see that move through, and severe weather is on the table. The Storm Prediction Center indicates that we will see a marginal severe weather risk basically for southwest Arkansas, northeast Texas, and most of northwest Louisiana for Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. If we have any severe weather issues, it would come in the form of some damage and wind. But again, those issues, if we see any, should be rather isolated in nature. Now, longer range, this is not the only rain we're going to be seeing. As you can see, the upper level ridge still over the southern plains. Watch how it moves out and develops more towards the west. Troughiness develops here across the eastern two-thirds of the country, and that's going to allow yet another front to dive south as we move into the first of next week. Starting Monday, after lower rainfall chances Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, rainfall chances go up Monday. They will continue into Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday as well. And with the chance of rain each and every day, models are in really good agreement here. During the next 10 days, we could be looking at 2 to over 4 inches of rain with isolated higher totals across the Arctic. And of course, we'll have more details on exactly how much is on the way as we get closer to that particular time frame. So again, it looks like some decent rainfall anticipated for all of the Arctic here during the next week and a half. In the meantime, tonight, not much as far as rain, as we'll see a partly cloudy sky. There is a chance for that scattered shower late tonight over the northern edge of the area. Otherwise, warm and humid with lows mainly in the mid to upper 70s. That includes 76 in Texarkana and 79 tonight in Shreveport. Tomorrow, scattered thunderstorms will develop, especially in the afternoon. Where the storms arrive sooner and the clouds arrive sooner, it will not be as hot tomorrow. Northern parts of the area, which will be behind the front sooner, we'll see highs in the low to middle 90s. Further to the south, highs will be in the upper 90s to near 100. That includes 100 degrees in Shreveport tomorrow, 95 in Texarkana, 100 in Marshall, and 93 for the high temperature tomorrow in Queen, and all of us will cool down as we look ahead to Thursday. As your 10-day forecast shows, temperatures easing into the 80s, 84 for the high temperature Thursday, back up to the low to middle 90s from Friday through Monday. And then next week, notice the chance of rain each and every day, and we're talking a pretty good chance as well. As a result of that, more clouds. Highs will mainly be in the mid to upper 80s. Overnight lows will probably stay in the low to middle 70s. So a bit of a shift in our weather pattern as that upper level ridge shifts back towards the west coast. That means a better chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Good chance tomorrow and Thursday, and another good chance for the showers and thunderstorms as we look ahead to most of next week.